We are Kenderdine Electrical, entertainment lighting company. We specialise in everything from rock and roll through to film, TV.
I was asked to come into Kenderdine and give some consulting advice on installing a staff benefits plan that has insurance, life, income protection, trauma insurance and disability insurance, and consult on some health insurance. Part of what we did there was meet with each of the employees and installed a customised plan for each of them, but installing the group plan meant that we didn't have to ask any medical questions. We only had to provide date of birth and occupation.
As a supplier, we're an importer and supplier of equipment. We also rent to production companies. We manufacture and install equipment into new theatres, new studios, basically anything in the lighting field. So we've got a staff of 14, our core business, and also a pool of casual labour.
The benefits to the company are that everybody gets cover without medical assessment, and the benefit to the customers or the staff are that they're now getting insurance that they couldn't have got before if they went to the insurance company direct.
The experience with Advice Hub has been great. They've come in and gone through all the possibilities with everybody collectively and individually where they've needed it. It's been straightforward and it's been easy and accommodating, and they've listened to what we've required and what we've had to say.
Part of the installation of a good group plan is the follow-up and installation with the staff. There's no point paying for insurance if the staff don't see the value in what you've done for them. So we go in there one-on-one and talk with each of them, putting together a customised financial plan that helps them with not only insurance but KiwiSaver, mortgages and investment advice so that their personal goals are achieved. Much of the people that we work with have their own goals outside of where they work.
All in all, it's been very useful and easy to do.